Is the Luxarise Moringa patch a game-changing weight loss hack, or just another internet scam? If you found these patches popping up on eBay, promising effortless fat burning and appetite control, you're not alone. I've dug into the reviews, the science, and the company itself, and here's what you need to know. First up, the company reputation. Brands with similar names, like Luxarise Fashion, have racked up a poor rating on Trustpilot. People are reporting delivery disasters, zero refunds, and even claims of outright fraud. And when I tried to find a legit Luxarise health company, there just wasn't any real proof it exists. That's a major red flag. Now, about the patch itself. Moringa is definitely packed with nutrients, and there's some evidence it can help manage blood sugar and blood pressure. But if you're hoping this patch will melt away pounds, don't get your hopes up. There's no solid science behind Moringa patches for weight loss, no clinical trials, and no official proof the transdermal method even works for this plant. Another clue? These patches are sold mostly on places like eBay, not trusted retailers. That's usually a sign the product hasn't gone through strict quality checks. Let's talk health risks. Moringa is generally safe, but it can interact with diabetes meds, blood pressure pills, and thyroid treatments. If you're pregnant, steer clear entirely. Some parts of the moringa plant can even cause contractions. Here's my advice. If you've already ordered, keep a close eye on your credit card for any weird charges and track your order. Before you try any supplement for weight loss, talk to your doctor, and always double-check the product in the FDA's Health Fraud Product Database.